Easter is right around the corner, and nothing says Easter better than Peeps. DIY expert Vida Urbonas is here with some really easy Peeps and candy treats, and it's always good to see you.
Yeah, usually around the holidays, I always try to come up with some really easy ideas that you can do, crafts you can make with the kids. And so we came up with a smorgasbord of Peeps ideas along with like some little flowers.
So tell me what we're going to make today. What are we starting off with?
Okay, so we've got like all these kind of Peeps dipped in chocolate. And again, we're going to show you first how to make these wonderful little candy flowers. What I did was I took those little waffle pretzels, I laid them out on some wax paper, just laid them all out like that. Then I added those little melting wafers, just one on top of each of them, and just go around the whole way. You're gonna then put it in the oven, and you're gonna melt it at around 200 degrees where it just lightly melts. It's not gonna fully melt. Then you're gonna take another one, put another one on top, because you want that so you can have those little like candies stick. So did the same thing, and then after that, I'm gonna take that also, stick it in the oven again at around 200 degrees, 210 degrees, just so you see it lightly melt. It's still gonna be a little solid on there. And then that's when I took my M&Ms. And first I forgot to tell you, I put that around this side. I let it cool a little bit, just so it stays on, and then you make your little flowers, and they're really good.
Adorable.
Aren't those beautiful?
Yes, and that didn't take very long, did it?
No, it didn't take long at all, and it's something super easy. The next, you take melting wafers, you stick it in a bowl, you heat it up for about a minute, and then you kind of put it back in the microwave after you mix it for about 30 seconds at a time, so you don't overdo it. You want it to be kind of nice and creamy. If it gets kind of clumpy, then you overdid it. Then, now is the Peeps tricks. You take your little wax paper, lay that out. You're gonna get your Peeps. Took me a little while there to lay out. There you get your little Peeps, you dip it in. I know, and these are little fun gifts. And these are also great for the Easter baskets as well.
Oh my gosh, that's adorable.
Yes, you lay it out on the wax paper, you sprinkle little toppings on it, so when it's done and when it dries, it'll dry nicely on the wax paper. You can put that in a bag, but see how you can lay it around the house. But again, great Easter ideas. Now this is that the bark that you just get. It's just like candy coating. I did the same thing, I melted it, and then I just dipped in like individual Peeps.
Oh.
And I stuck them in little straws and made a little Peeps bouquet.
So if you're gonna have like a little Easter party get together, you can leave that out, and for dessert the kids can eat them.
You leave them out
or
too.
The Easter bunny, yes.
Now I do the same thing again, and I'm going to show you how to make your Peeps drinks. I did that again, and again you can do different colors. You put your straw all the way through, and you put that in with some, I just got some regular lemonade there. You can get Kool-Aid, you can get Gatorade, whatever you want to do. I have these jars that screw up on top, but if you want to do something like that, you can just drill a hole in it, put your straw in, and there you go. You have your little Peeps drinks, and you can like have those at parties as well.
Adorable.
I know, isn't that fun?
And this has just brightened up our set. So quick question, your YouTube channel, parenting channel, tell me how to get all of this information.
Okay, so yeah, you'll just go to YouTube, and then you search the parenting channel, all one word, and you'll be able to find all of that stuff there, along with a lot of other fun cakes and stuff I've made as well. A lot of stuff I've made here for you guys.
Yes, the parenting channel. Thank you so much, as always, Vida. Find Vida's recipes for spring treats and all of her other amazing tips, hacks, and DIY projects online. cookcraftkids.com. Subscribe to her YouTube page too. Just search the parenting channel. All one word, no spaces. Be sure to check it out today.